Well, that squall has passed and investors are left with a bit of a mess to clean up, but no trees fell on the car and the roof is still intact. Here's a rundown of what has happened since an American inflation surprise started it all on July the 11th. The two big safe havens, US Treasuries and gold, went up. The Australian market has fallen 1.6% since then, but apart from that, the ink is all quite red. The S&P 500 in the US, World Index, European shares and Bitcoin all fell between 5 and 10%. Oil and industrial metals 10%, Nasdaq 13.4%, the Magnificent Seven technology stocks 18%, and the semiconductor index, called the SOX, suffered the biggest sell-off, 23.5%. The Australian market has actually fallen 5% from the peak, which was on August the 1st, and that took it back exactly to where it started the year, but the last couple of days have reduced a return for the year to date of 1%. And the other thing that's happened is that the fall in technology stocks has returned tobacco to its long-standing position as the best-performing US share market sector since 1990. The US market rose 1% last night. The Japanese index was up 3% at one stage, taking it back to where it was before Monday's brutal 12.5% drop, but it retreated a bit this afternoon to be 1% higher. The Australian market closed 0.3% higher, with solid gains by retailers and lithium stocks. Gold and silver fell today, as did iron ore and oil, and the Aussie dollar continued to recover, up to 65.5 US cents tonight. And that's finance.